Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide online status on WhatsApp, right? So let's go into the WhatsApp mobile application and I will show you from step by step. So on the top right side corner, you can see the three dots, that is a menu bar. So just click on there and here you have to just go to the setting and here you will find option that is called privacy. So just click on the privacy and the first option, it says that last seen and online. So just click on here and basically you have to select nobody. If it is selected everyone or my contacts, you have to select nobody, so nobody will able to see you that what's your last seat. And basically in the bottom you have to select this one, same as last seat. So basically after that you will not nobody will come to know you about your online status, right? And this is pretty easy guys. And there is one more thing, if you just want to hide your blue tick over the chats, you can just turn this off, right? And basically it will not show that when you read the messages, it will never turn into blue. So this is some extra information that I gave you. So this is it guys. If you found this video really interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.